All right, been struggling with a little bit of intermittent sputter, rough idle, a little bit of backfiring through the throttle body. Went through new coil, new distributor, new plugs, new wires, cleaned out air throttle control, checked map sensor, all that stuff's good. So what we're gonna do is the last part, which is probably what it needs, which is the crank position sensor. So we're gonna replace that today, and hopefully that rectifies the issue. There's only, I think, one more sensor on it that I could change. So pretty sure that's what the cause is. So hopefully I'm right. Here's the sensor that I got. You can pick them up. Of course, it's recommended MGK or Mopar. This is just another one I picked up local, fairly cheap. Hopefully it works. Connected up top, which I'll show you, and then this is actually screwed into the bell housing. I believe it's a 7/16 or maybe 11 millimeter to take it off. All right, so if you're looking at it from the top, obviously this is the driver's side. Your sensor is actually going to be connected, well, if I can get to it for you, right here. This is supposed to be hooked on. It is not, but I'll fill with that in a little bit. But this is your connector that you're going to replace, and it's going to go down through the back onto the bell housing. All right, I very seriously doubt you're going to be able to see this, but right up, let's see if I can get it, right behind your trans linkage on the bell housing is where that sits. So I'm gonna try to get that off, and then I'll show you what we got, see if I can get a light on there for you. All right, again, I doubt you can probably see it, but it's up there on the bell housing. There you go. Right there. There's a little cover that goes over it to where you can get access into the bell housing. It was easier for me to get on the other side and work backwards for the bell housing to get the screw started, but I got it in, got it fished up. I'll show you the connection, and then we're going to test it out, and hopefully it works, because that was a pain in the ass to install. All right, so fished it up back through. Same connection, hooked in, checked all this good stuff. We're going to start up and see if it rectified an issue. Please cross your fingers. I'm tired of screwing with this mess. No check engine lights. We're gonna give it a little bit and see if it starts acting up. All right, so took it around the block, got on it pretty good. No issues, no hesitation, no rough idle once it idles back down. So as of now, seemed to be the issue. Excited that that's one more piece out of the way. So we'll get back to it, and I'll let you know when I screw something else up.